Hello my friends, today it's time for something different. Today it's going to be a point of view video and I'm going to try to use the Tamron 70-180mm to do some awesome street photography. Alright guys, today we got lucky. It's a pretty sunny day here in Frankfurt. And yeah, to be honest, it's my first time doing street photography. Check out these birds. Oh, I think this could be nice. Oh, that's looking good. Some leading lines in the picture. Oh, that looks quite cool. We got the statue over there. Oh, it's looking nice because you've got these leading lines and something in the foreground, which makes it pretty easy. Oh, almost missed it. That's looking like a nice shot. This is what I'm expecting. Oh, I need a car in the front as a subject. I need a colorful car. Come on. Yeah. I think I've got a nice picture. Yeah, that looks cool. Yes, you know, it takes some time to get into it, I must admit. Because with such a long focal length, everything looks completely different than normal. That's why you need to think out of the box, I would say. This is the classic sentence everyone says if they want to sound smart. But yeah, that's kind of true. Oh, you see that? That's quite interesting. Because you have the new structure and the old structure and nice light. I like that. Maybe zoom out a little more. Yeah, what do you like the most about photography? Or about creative stuff? For me, it's like doing fun things, having fun. It mainly was part of my life as a hobby in the beginning. And then I finally moved to do it in full time as my job. And it was one of the best decisions ever. It's a lot of fun, but it's not enough for a living. That's why I'm going to do some university work afterwards. Well, I'm doing it right now. Okay, what do we have here? I have this crane in the back that sucks so much. Don't want to have that crane. Let's see, can I get on the middle of the street? Just one picture with the Mercedes in the back. It's looking sweet. I think I came to the point where I finally think I'm going to be crazy. Talking to my Gopro camera. Well, I know it's you guys. Almost feels like summer, guys. But it's still February. And yeah, doing the best out of it. Making the best out of it, you know. I still need to practice my English a little bit. As you might have noticed. Oh, I like that. Let's get behind here. Does you see that composition? Just need someone to cross the street. Oh, there is someone. Come on. Bam! So I hope I got something there. But I really need to get out of this here. Because I want something of the light in the background. Oh, I love that shot. That BMW, I want that. So this is the first real usage I have for my new GoPro, the GoPro Max. I'm not sure, does it look good? I'm using it in the hero mode right now with Max Super View. I hope this is the most immersive style, because you have the most field of view. You can see probably what I'm seeing, and it's the most stable one from all the other GoPros in comparison. Alright guys, found a new composition. It's this one. Check that out. Looks epic, right? But I think I need to go further away. That's looking good. But again, come on, cross the street. Come on, come on. And we got something from here. Oh, doesn't look too bad. She wants to cross that street. I know that. Cross it. Might have got it. New lens, new fun. So with this bad boy, 14mm wide angle, everything will look different, I promise. Oh, that's looking awesome. See these shadows? Love it. Street photography. Yes, yes, yes. I like it. Oh, that's looking nice. Look at that pump. Now I just need to wait for a good subject. Give me shadows. Give me shadows. No, not that car. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. I think I got a nice shot here. I love that comp. You get the sun in the back. Having the sun somewhere over there is always a good sign. Oh, that might look interesting. Ooh! Bruh. Got it! That's a cool shot. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. And if you like this video and this new format, make sure to leave a like and a comment so I know that you really like it. And yeah, we'll see us in the next video. Goodbye.